Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. You will also need high-quality thermal paste, which is crucial for optimal heat transfer. Start by powering off your Lenovo Yoga 720 15 IKB and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located around the perimeter. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. With the back cover off, you will have access to the internal components of your laptop. Now locate the CPU and GPU, which are typically covered by heat sinks. Carefully unscrew the heat sinks, ensuring you remember the order of the screws, as they may vary in size. Once the heat sinks are removed, you will see the old thermal paste. Using a lint-free cloth or paper towel, apply some isopropyl alcohol to clean off the old thermal paste from both the CPU and GPU surfaces. It's important to ensure that all residue is removed for the best thermal conductivity. If you find this process daunting, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. After cleaning, it's time to apply the new thermal paste. A small pea-sized amount in the center of the CPU and GPU is sufficient. When you reattach the heat sinks, the pressure will spread the paste evenly across the surface. Once the heat sinks are secured, replace the back cover of your laptop. Make sure all clips are properly aligned before screwing it back in place. This step is crucial to ensure that your laptop remains protected from dust and debris. If you're not comfortable performing this maintenance yourself, remember that we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient solution. Finally, power on your Lenovo Yoga 720 15 IKB and monitor the temperatures to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Regular maintenance like this can significantly enhance your laptop's performance and extend its lifespan, so it's worth the effort. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.